Welcome to Dashlabs 101. Today we'll go over the basics on how to use Dashlabs Basic module. Let's begin by uploading your logo to give your page a bit of personality. Go down to Settings and click on the pencil icon at the top of the page. From there, you will be given the option to upload your logo. When done, hit Update, and now you should see your organization's logo. From there, scroll down in the Settings page. Here you can add your phone number, address, and email. When done, click Update. Before we can register a patient, we need to make a product. Let's begin with the basic 5. Go to Products on the homepage and click Add Product. From there, click Add Price and set the price for the product. You may create multiple prices for different types of customers. Set which branches this product will appear in and click Save Changes. Next, click on Post-Purchase and click Add Patient Service. This will allow you to add multiple patient services to a product. For now, we will show you how to incorporate the basic 5. Search up urinalysis and then add it. Do this for vital signs, physical exam, and fecalysis. For the CBC, search hematology and go to Select Variants and click on CBC. Do the same for the PA chest X-ray by going to X-ray and then selecting the variant for PA chest X-ray. When done, click Save Changes. Now that we have created a product, let's get to registering a patient. Select Cashiers and click on the main cashier. This will take you to the patient registration page. In order to register new patients, click Register New Patient and fill out all the relevant patient information and click Submit when finished. Going back to the cashier then, you can see there is a search bar here that may be used to search up patients who are already registered. Once the patient has been registered or a previously registered patient has been selected, scroll down to Add Products. From here, you can search up different products that are offered by the organization by pressing the plus sign on each product. Scroll down to the bottom, select your patient's payment method and add payment. Go to the right and hit Checkout. When done, the cashier may click near the top right to print a receipt. To ensure that things flow smoothly from registration to extractions and results, be sure to check the workflow of the system to ensure that all roles can perform their work as soon as a patient is ready and waiting. With your patient registered and your products paid for, it's time to perform laboratory extractions. Go to Q servers and pin the specific Q servers for easier access on the homepage. These specific servers include the basic 5, such as laboratory extraction and results for different tests, like hematology, X-ray, fecalysis, and urinalysis. There are also Q servers for nurse stations, physical exams, and medical evaluations. Once you have finished pinning the appropriate Q servers, return to the homepage. When servicing a patient, click on the appropriate extraction queue and click Call on the patient being serviced, allowing them to be called for the extraction process. Once extraction is completed, click Now on the date to automatically log the date and time of the extraction, and then once done, hit the Save button on the date. When saved, click Complete on the top right and do the same for any other queue. Once extraction has been completed, return to home and click on the corresponding result queue. Once again, call on the patient and fill out the details from the lab machines on the provided file. If images are needed, they can be uploaded on any field that prompts you with Upload File. Text boxes are also present if detailed descriptions are needed for certain observations. Signatories can also be placed and can be found at the bottom of the page. Here, you can select from the list of names via the drop-down menu to place the name, role, and e-signature onto the printed file. If you do not wish to have the e-signature present in order to manually sign the file, click the checkbox to remove the e-signature. When done, click Save and review the details. Preview the file by downloading it to ensure all details are there in the printed file. When certain that all details are correct, press Save and Lock to prevent further changes to the document. When conducting a physical exam, first get a patient's vitals via the nurse station Q server. Once completed, the patient can be called upon to undertake a physical exam. Simply have the medical examiner fill out the details and save, very similarly to laboratory results. Ensure that the vitals are assigned to the right doctor as well. These results can now be looked at together when going through the medical evaluation. Here, all the medical tests can be compared, and results can be transferred to the physical exam records as needed. Be sure to save before downloading the files for preview or to send out the file itself. If the file is previewed on your browser, simply click on the download button for that browser file to save it to your computer. These results can be printed or sent via email to your patient by clicking on the email button below, so long as the patient has given their email. Be sure to also click Complete when finished. To keep track of orders, Dashlabs allows you to download sales reports. Simply go to Orders and click Download. You will be directed to a tab that will allow you to select the date from when you wish to retrieve the sales data. Select the status field and select Paid to only see the products which have already been paid for. Then select the file type you wish to see before hitting Download. Thank you for watching. We hope that this has helped you better understand our software. Stay tuned for more videos like this.